This is part 2 of unboxing, PR, and things I bought for fall. This is like Christmas for me. Oh, I ordered 2 things, but only one showed up. This has been on my wish list for so long. It's like very wide, but snatches. I'm gonna put a picture, but ties in the back to snatch. I feel like this is a good everyday elevated basic. Levi's were on sale, so I got 2 new colors of my favorite style. These are the low loose in a dark wash. I think these are the darkest wash jeans I own. Goes well with this top. This I don't even want to open because I thought they were gonna be white, but they're actually gray, so I'm gonna return these. Probably good for my bank account. PR from Naturium. Body oil wash, body butter, lips, serums. I feel like I have so many lip products, but I will use all of them, so thank you. This is from Steve Madden. They sent over some boots for fall, and you know I love a boot. My first pair, I do have 2 pairs of black boots, but I don't have a pair of slouchy black boots. And then my actual first pair of low boots, I wore them this weekend because they came in before those did. These are just pointy toe red boots. This one is very heavy and the label says wine. This is gonna be the best package of the day. And there's more. Okay, we've got 4 bottles of wine. This is actually the best day ever, and I'm going to need to have a wine night ASAP. Okay, this is your sign to post your videos on the internet because this is actually insane and I'm freaking out. This is the best day ever. Okay, thanks for watching. See you next time.